Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. Ooh, Queen of Swords wanted to pop out even before I started the reading, so I'm going to keep her here and see if she has something to say later. And as I was saying, these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see what's going on with your connection now. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright, Virgo, let's start your reading. Let's see what's happening, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. So newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards, action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, Virgo, this is going to be person A for me and this is going to be person B for me. So you could be on either side, and if this is your story, you'll know which side you're on, right? And that's it. Action for person A, action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. A lot of stagnancy going on, Virgo, even now it seems. Okay, so let me take a look at the cards first. Page of Wands in reverse with the Four of Wands. Okay. Alright, person B. Okay, so it appears one person does want to end this fighting which is happening between the two of you, Virgo. They still do envision a Four of Wands, a happily ever after. That goal is still there in one person's mind. The other person is also watching and waiting, wanting maybe their person to come and speak their truth, tell them what's really in their heart, wanting now, some answers, some clear communication. So let's see, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of the cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more, Virgo, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. Thank you. So Virgo, the first card here that I have says, I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. You changed up and that triggers me. Just know that I'm sorry. I keep reading our old text messages. My answer will be, I do. I'm having a hard time believing that you really love me. You are the most beautiful creature I've ever seen. I had put you on a pedestal and made myself small. Alright, so Virgo, these were some of your messages. If they were resonating, let's start your reading. Of course, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, as always. Let's see what my angels have for you for this read. A blessing, guidance, advice, wise decisions. Yes, I think the stagnancy has happened, but things are stuck from what I feel. It's time to make some wise decisions. I think the Queen of Swords is going to be demanding it, if nothing else. Time to make some wise decisions now. Okay, so person A. We're going to start with the energies of person A. Let's see how they're doing, then we'll move on to the other side, Virgo. So person A, Five of Wands in reverse. Why is the Five of Wands in reverse for you? Why do you feel this way? Well, they want to have victory with person B. They don't want to fight. They want to communicate now. Like, let's just give up the fight already. Come on. I mean, I see you as my happiness. I want victory with you again. They desperately want to communicate, Virgo. Desperately. In their mind, they still see person B as their happily ever after. Four of Wands, why do you feel this way, person A? Four of Wands. They're not confused anymore, Virgo. If they were in the past, if they were, not knowing what decision to make, this person is no longer confused. They've made up their mind. They know the cup that they want. And what they want is an end to whatever happened in the past. Let's just start anew. Let's start afresh. This person is wanting a transformation of this. Yes, see, 10 again, 10 of Swords. They're feeling quite bad about the way things ended, but they're saying like, hey, let's just talk it out and let's just have a re-beginning. Let's start again from scratch. Have a brand new life. So what happened? Why are you feeling this way, person A? What happened in the recent past to make you feel this way? Ace of Pentacles in reverse and the Chariot in reverse. Yeah, somebody took too long. Maybe they were evaluating, what should I do? Should I not? And all that thinking. I think they missed their chance to offer anything stable or the long term to person B. And now they're very disappointed. Why didn't I offer when I had the chance? I should have done it earlier. And because now they're disappointed of not offering, things could have halted, right? The Chariot in reverse, things have kind of stopped between the two of you. Chariot in reverse. Yes, Chariot. Now somebody is now looking at their future. Now they're realizing what they've done. They do want to fight for this connection once again. They're also recognizing their own behavior now. And they're quite worried, they're quite scared about what's happening here, because now they are realizing that they have a lot of love for person B and they've behaved in a very mean manner. Maybe they've always pretending that, it's my way or the highway, or, the playing to win kind of a thing. But now they're recognizing that it's my behavior, bad behavior, which has ended this or stopped this connection between the two of you. But they are watching still. They haven't given up. They are still trying to gather information, a little scared to come forward, but heart of hearts wanting this fight to end now, because they still see that Four of Wands. The love is there. Maybe this person never opened up and, spoke. And when they did, it came across as if they were not interested, or they were being rude or harsh or mean or something. So yes, they did not give that offer. They didn't respect their person. And this card is here on person B's end side as well, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So yes, now they're recognizing that what they did. They never offered something stable and grounded and beautiful to the person that they loved so much. So how do you feel now, person A, now that the deed has been done? Person A says, well, I'm feeling things are very stuck now. Wheel of Fortune is just not moving. I'm by myself. I'm getting enlightened to this connection. I'm, speaking to my spirit guides as to why I had this bad luck in my life. Things have totally, moved the wrong direction in our connection. I'm so burdened by this. I'm so overwhelmed. I feel terrible that, our relationship is still in troubled waters. And I want to move towards them, but I feel I'll be rejected now. If I do go towards them, what if they reject me? I've broken their promises in the past. So they're a bit worried. So what action they will finally manage to take, I'll open later, Virgo. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. So person B, you also have the Page of Swords. So you're watching them. They are watching you. Why is that? Why are you watching them? Because person B is also feeling a bit abandoned, left out in the cold. They're also thinking about this fight or argument or whatever, both feeling abandoned by each other at the moment, Virgo. But person B also is waiting and watching and trying to find information. I think person B also wants that let's talk it out. Let's just reveal what's in our hearts. Let's get rid of whatever has happened toxic in this connection. Just speak your heart. Don't keep anything hidden, because I think person B also knows that this is my 10 of cups. Right? So same position, both of you are wishing and hoping for a fight to end. They are seeing this connection as the 4 of wands. Person B is seeing this connection as the 10 of cups. But both thinking about the argument and fight and wishing it was over. So what happened, person B? What happened in the recent past from your perspective? What happened? 9 of Swords in reverse and the Death card. What's this 9 of Swords? Person B was, I think, maybe waiting for an apology or an offer or something like that, but so much delay happened. So much delay happened in this connection of things moving forward that person B could have been the one who could have said, I'm tired now. I'm tired. I'm putting my sword up. I'm going to protect myself. I'm not going to have any more sleepless nights. I'm tired of waiting for somebody who is taking too long, basically, to bring that offer to me. And they may have ended. They have been the one to say, I am over it. I'm getting myself out of it. I'm not going to put in any work, because it only puts me into depression by the end of it. I'm always sad. I'm always lonely. I'm always left behind. I'm also not going to put in any work. And if it ends, so be it. So person B, how do you feel about person A or about this connection now? Knight of Wands. Well, person B at the moment tells me, I think my person's a player. They are not interested. They're only in it for the passion. They are always, choosing between two options, and they never do. They always have that blindfold on their eyes, and they refuse to make any wise decisions for us. I see them as a very immature, inconsistent person who's only interested in the passion. And they never ever have given me that respect of being, their equal, or a wife, or somebody that I can announce to the world that I'm with this person. They just haven't done that yet. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, the person B feels they're just not bringing any clarity. They lie to me. They're not honest and open with me. So I'm going to guard myself. I'm going to protect myself now. And I'm leaving this troubled person behind. And I'm moving on to happier, peaceful place in my life. But Heart of Hearts, person B is also dreaming of the 4 of Wands. You both want this, Virgo. You're only fooling each other, yourselves, whatever. You both want this desperately. I think person B is also Heart of Hearts, still all right to try one more time. They just want this fight to end, this conflict to end. Make some wise decisions. Let's talk it out. Let's end the fight. Both of you want that. So let's see if you guys are going to take any action now. I'm going to take a different deck for this one, Virgo. And of course, this is my time to request you to hit that like button. Even if it's been entertaining for you, or if you've got something out of it, it really helps the videos to circulate. And of course, makes me happy as well. And newbies, if you're going to subscribe, which I hope you do, don't miss out on pressing the notification bells, because they will then tell you when the next videos are posted. So person A, what action will you take? 2 of Pentacles, person A even now. What's this? Why is that in action? One more. Okay, that's nice. One more. Person A definitely wants to come towards person B with a solid offer. I have a feeling that they don't know how to put in the work. They're going back and forth in their mind, figuring out the best course of action at the moment. Person B, don't worry, person A is not with anyone else. They seem to be in hermit mode right now. This card has come out twice for person A. They are in hermit mode right now, sitting and kind of figuring out how to do this, how to work on this connection, how to make it stable, how to offer this. They're going back and forth in their mind, figuring out the best course of action to come towards person B. So person B, what about you? Any action from your end? The Lovers. Yes, person B does feel a very strong connection with person A, but they do want them to choose. Like decide, make a decision, make a choice. Lovers, yes, person B is only wanting things to work out, and they're hoping it will start with an apology. They're hoping that somebody is going to come towards them with a decision to work on this connection and give them an apology for the way things went down. Am I right, person B? Or will you take any action, by the way? Or are you going to wait for an apology? No, person B says, I'm waiting. I'm waiting by the window, hoping, waiting, wishing, waiting for them to come and apologize to me. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.